Back here with a look at Bitcoin. This thing ended up pulling back up the upside, and a fake out to the downside, and then runs right up. Look at this. Definitely thought this thing was breaking down, filling that fair value gap down here, down around the 73.5. Ended up firing back up the upside and is looking extremely strong. If you come out here on a daily, look at this candle right out here. Look at that thing. That looks absolutely beautiful. Heading to the upside. We have the total 2 and total 3. Let me show you this real well. We'll give you a price target here for this. This first push up should be looking up around 90. Let's see here, 90,000 to 92, right up in that range. That's about the width of your wedge here for this breakout. If you come over here and go off this top here, it'll put you right in the 618702 area. So 90 to 92,000, right up in there. And this thing is looking great. The RSIs, you got your daily RSI heading to the upside, looking great. Look at this. The weekly turn. Look at it, bullish, heading to the upside. You know, if it gets up here, all right, if it gets up towards that 92 area overall, you know, that's going to put us. Let's get rid of this. All right, here's our little blue box there. We go off the top down to the bottom right there. All right, that's going to put us right around at 50%. All right, I wouldn't expect that. You'd expect it up here in the 618 to 702, 97 to 99,000. So maybe this first push up towards 91, 92, you know, get a retracement, and then another push up towards 97 and 99. And of course, if we get that breakout the top side, you'd be looking at 130. Now, if we look at the let me show you the total 2 and total 3. This ought to get you excited for sure. If you like leverage trading, guys, there is a link for weeks in the description of the video. Please go check them out. They have a bunch of sign-up bonuses going on right now. A couple trading competitions. Yeah, it's free to sign up. I use them every single day. They have like 1,000 different cryptos over there to trade. If you like leverage trading like me, I'm on that site every single day. Please use the link in the description of the video if you go over. Definitely helps the channel out. Look at this breakout. This is the total market cap without Bitcoin. All right, no Bitcoin in this. You got a breakout of resistance right here. Let me get my arrow. This yellow line right here would be your resistance, and you can see the breakout right here. Okay, that is looking fantastic. That's the total 2. If we take a look at the total 3, we got the same thing going on here. I apologize here. We got a little bit of a freeze up here for some reason. That don't ever happen. It'll come right on here. But while that's doing that, if you want to learn how to read charts and stuff, sign up for a level 3 membership. That gets you into our Discord also, all right, where we leverage trade every single day. You'll love it over there. We have close to 180 people in there. Okay, you get 10 hours of videos to teach you how to chart. You get a link to our Discord. All right, but sign up for that. If you sign up for that level 3, sign up for weeks also, because we use them charts on there over there. So please come and check it out. I think you'll really enjoy it. All right, we got a breakout here on this is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is just all the other altcoins. There's your breakout. All right, looks like a wave 1, 2, working on a third wave. There should be a big push right here. Like, we should see the altcoins like really start moving. Okay, we've been beat down pretty good. This should be a decent run to the upside for everything. Okay, we're way down in here. You know, this thing should be at least up into here, and then hopefully, you know, at this top side and up there. By the time that this is over, I think we have a long ways to go. All right, we're in a Caspa long over in Discord, and looking at like 20x of my money on that move. All right, it's like a 75% move. I took a 30x on it. So leverage trading, you know, if you guys out there trade leverage, you know the money you can make. Those of you that haven't traded it, you know, before you jump into it, learn about it, please. You know, do your own research and stuff. But that level 3 membership, You will get over 10 hours of videos to start teaching you how to do this stuff, and there's a couple in there on leverage trading also. But this market looks very, very good, guys. Bitcoin is looking very strong right now, and I think this is very, very bullish. Like I said, I was expecting this push down before we headed up, but it's taken out started to take out some levels. We take out this what is this, 90,000 over here, right over here, this high, and that's going to be huge. All right, that would set us to give us a higher high. And take that out over here, and that would be a really good indication that was the bottom down here, and this thing is heading up, but looking very, very good. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll talk to you soon.